Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Welcome back to our Architecture Review Series Practice Quiz, and this is now part 10 of our Building Technology Quiz. So instructions before proceeding with the quiz, it is best to get a piece of paper muna, cut lengthwise, and then write down numbers 1 to 30 so that when you are ready, you can now start with the quiz, and for every question, write down the corresponding letter of your best choice or answer from the multiple choice. And you will be given 10 seconds to finalize your answer. At the end of the quiz, count the total number of your correct answers and check your score rating. So if you are now ready, good luck. So number 1, identify one in the figure below. A, heel. B, shoe. C, connection. And D, corner. And our correct answer is letter A, heel. So in a roof truss, the heel is the point where the top cord or rafter meets the bottom cord. So ito, yung meeting point. At the bearing point on the well plate or support. So bali ito, top cord, ito yung bottom cord, and this is the heel height. Number 2, identify number 2 in the figure below. A, overhang. B, eave. C, connection. And D, canopy. And our correct answer is letter A, overhang. So in a roof truss, the overhang is the portion of the top cord or rafter that extends beyond the wall or support line of the building. Number 3, identify number 3 in the figure below. A, top cord. B, rafter. C, bottom cord. And D, brace. And our correct answer is letter A, top cord. So in a roof truss, the top cord is the uppermost structural member that forms the sloping or sometimes horizontal edges of the truss. So that is the top cord. Identify number 4 in the figure below. A, top cord. B, rafter. C, bottom cord. And D, brace. And our correct answer is letter C, bottom cord. So in a roof truss, the bottom cord is the horizontal member that forms the base of the truss. So this is the top cord, and this is the bottom cord, and this is the webs. Identify number 5 in the figure below. A, top cord. B, web. C, lateral brace. And D, support. And our correct answer is letter C, lateral brace. So a lateral brace in roof framing or truss systems, bali ito yun dito, is a structural member installed to provide side-to-side lateral stability. So ito yung web, ito yung pinaka-web, ito yung pinaka-lateral brace. Ayan. So this is the continuous lateral brace, this is the web, and we have the truss plate here, the panel point, and this splice, and this is the wedge, and this is the peak. Number 6, the commercial length of lumber available in the Philippines is in blank. A, even number. B, odd number. C, even and odd. D. It doesn't matter. And our correct answer is letter A, even number. So common commercial lengths are 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 feet, etc. Each follow even increments. Number 7. How do you compute for the number of 60 centimeters by 120 centimeters of acoustic board on ceiling? A. Divide the area or the ceiling area by 0.72. B. Multiply the area or ceiling area by 0.072. Letter C. Divide the ceiling area by 2.88. And D. Add the ceiling area and subtract 0.072. And our correct answer is letter A. So our acoustic board area is 0.6 by 1.2 or 0.72 square meters per board or per piece. So just divide the total ceiling area by 0.72 square meters per board or per piece to get the total number of boards or pieces. Number 8. How many concrete hollow blocks in 1 square meter? A. 12.5 pieces. B. 15 pieces. C. 20 pieces. And D. 10 pieces. And our correct answer is letter A, 12.5 pieces. So if we check the size of the hollow block, that is 0.2 by 0.4 yung surface area, no? Hindi yung thickness, no? So that will give you an area, surface area of 0.80 square meter per piece. So just divide 1 square meter by 0.80 square meter per piece will give you 12.5 pieces per square meter of wall area. So if you are to compute for the number of pieces of hollow blocks in a wall area, just multiply the wall area in square meters by 12.5 pieces per square meter to get the total number of pieces of CHB. And number 9, what is usually used in malls for its balusters? A. Tempered glass. B. Laminated normal glass. C. Laminated glass. And D. Decorative glass. And our correct answer is letter C, laminated glass. So laminated glass is preferred because it has a safety interlayer, usually PVB, polyvinyl butyrol, that holds the glass together even if it breaks, preventing shards from falling and causing injury. Tempered glass, while strong, shatters into pieces when broken, which makes laminated glass the safer choice for mall balustrades. Number 10. What type of hinge is the figure below? A. Flat hinge. B. Loose pin hinge. C. Hidden hinge. And D. Bolt hinge. And our correct answer is letter B, loose pin hinge. So a loose pin hinge is a hinge designed with a removable pin which makes it possible to detach the door without unscrewing the hinge plates. It is commonly used in interior doors where the door may need to be removed quickly, such as when moving large furniture. So 11. The figure below is normally used for A. Sliding door, B. Screen door, C. Window, and D. Cabinet door. And our correct answer is letter A, sliding door. So a sliding door lock, mortise lock, is a recessed locking system designed to fit inside the door itself. It typically includes a lock body, a sliding door handle, and a set of keys. The mortise mechanism allows the door to be securely locked and unlocked without protruding parts, making it ideal for pocket doors or space-saving sliding doors. This type of lock provides both security and a clean, flush appearance since the lock and handle are integrated into the door. Number 12. The figure below is normally used for A. Sliding door, B. Screen door, C. Casement window, and D. Cabinet door. And our correct answer is letter C, casement window. So a casement window lock is a hardware device used to secure casement windows. The lock is usually mounted on the sash or frame and works by latching the window tightly when closed, preventing it from being opened from the outside. So 13. The figure shown below consists of parallel chords and a triangular web system and is called A. Open web steel joist, B. Open deck truss, and C. Flat truss, and D. Joist truss. And our correct answer is letter A, open web steel joist. So an open web steel joist, or OWSJ, is a prefabricated steel truss with top and bottom chords connected by a triangulated web used to support floors and roofs. Its open web system allows easy passage of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems while providing lightweight yet strong structural support. So ito yung itsura ng open web steel joist. Number 14. What material is used for purlins of GI roofing? A. Light gauge metal channel, B. Standard steel channel, C. W flange, and D. I-beam. And our correct answer is letter A, light gauge metal channel. So the material used for purlins of GI, galvanized iron roofing, is usually light gauge metal channel. This is because light gauge metal channels are lightweight, easy to install, and strong enough to support the roofing sheets without adding excessive weight to the structure. 15. Which roofing material below will result to a lesser number of purlins? A. Corrugated GI sheets, B. Ceramic roof tiles, C. Polycarbonate, and D. Cement roof tiles. And our correct answer is letter A, corrugated GI sheets. So corrugated metal sheets are light yet strong and rigid, allowing them to span longer distances without sagging. So they require fewer purlins compared to flexible materials like polycarbonate or heavy tiles like cement and ceramic. 16. What type of nail is used for asphalt shingles? A. Common wire nail, B. Elastomeric, C. Staple wire, and D. Finishing nail. And our correct answer is letter C, staple wire. So the correct answer though is not listed. The type of nail used for asphalt shingles is a roofing nail. This is a specialized nail specifically designed for fastening roofing materials. It has a large flat head that provides a wide bearing surface to prevent the roofing material, like an asphalt shingle, from tearing. It also has a shank that is shorter and thicker than a common nail. Furthermore, roofing nails are typically made of corrosion-resistant materials like galvanized steel, aluminum, or stainless steel to withstand exposure to moisture and the elements. But among the choices here, the only possible answer is staple wire. Now, modern roofers prefer nails over staples, mainly because nails are forgiving of minor placement errors, whereas staples lose holding strength if not driven perfectly perpendicular. Staples may be a suitable choice for less demanding applications or temporary repairs. They are quicker and easier to install compared to nails since they can be shot rapidly with a staple gun. Staples also tend to cost less than roofing nails, making them a more cost-effective option when budget is a concern. 17. In 1958, Jacinto Steel came into being as the pioneer manufacturer of GI sheets in the Philippines. As a trailblazer, they were the first to produce locally pre-painted long-span GI sheets in the 1970s, which became known for its anti-corrosion and paint adhesion properties. However, the Asian financial crisis in the late 1990s greatly affected the operation of the company. Today, under the stewardship of Ramon P. Jacinto, son of the late Fernando P. Jacinto, father of the Philippine steel industry, the company is experiencing a rebirth. What is its current corporate name? A. Jacinto Steel Incorporated. B. Jacinto Color Steel Incorporated. C. Color Roof Steel Incorporated. And D. RJ Color Steel Incorporated. And our correct answer is letter B, Jacinto Color Steel Incorporated. So ito, ang tagline nila, nobody knows roofing better than Jacinto. So ito yung mga familiar na mga roofing styles nila, Tri-Wave, Super Deck, Curve Rib Style, RJ Dual Rib 980, the Spandrel, and the Stancor. 18. Which of the following is used to connect GI roofing sheets to steel purlins? A. Roof nail. B. Expansion bolt. C. Machine bolt with nut. And D. Self-tapping screw. And our correct answer is letter D. Self-tapping screw. So GI roofing sheets are typically fastened to steel purlins using self-tapping screws, which can cut their own thread into the metal, providing a secure connection without the need for pre-drilling holes. 19. What steel section is most commonly used for skylights? A. Tubular. B. Angular. C. Channel. And D. Flange. And our correct answer is letter A, tubular. So tubular steel provides strength with minimal weight and a clean, lightweight frame, making it ideal for supporting skylight glazing without obstructing light. Number 20. If you want to have an exposed truss system for your roof, which steel section would you recommend? A. Tubular, B. C-channel, C. I-beam, and D. Angular. And our correct answer is tubular. Tubular steel is often chosen for exposed systems when the goal is a clean, modern aesthetic. Its close, smooth surface prevents dust and debris from collecting, unlike open sections like I-beams or C-channels, making it easier to maintain while still providing structural strength. 21. This device is for adjusting the tension or length of cables, tie rods, and other tensioning system. It normally consists of two threaded eye bolts, one screwed into each end of a small metal frame, and having opposite threads. A. Bolt and eye. B. Turnbuckle. C. Belt buckle, and D. Tension wire. And our correct answer is letter B, turnbuckle. So a turnbuckle is used to adjust the tension or length of cables, tie rods, and other tensioning systems. It consists of two threaded eye bolts screwed into opposite ends of a small metal frame with opposite threads, allowing tension to be increased or decreased by rotating the frame. 22. What do you call the fitting shown in the figure below that is used to connect glass in many various configurations? A. Octopus connector, B. Spider connector, C. Glass connector, and D. Four-legged connector. And our correct answer is letter C, glass connector. So a glass connector is used to join glass panels in various configurations such as corners, T-joints, or intersections, allowing for flexible and secure glass assemblies in partitions, balustrades, and display systems. 23. What do you call the fitting shown in the figure below that is used to secure glass panels without drilling or framing the entire edge? A. Glass connector, B. Glass clamp holder, C. Glass channel, and D. Glass standoff. And our correct answer is letter B, glass clamp holder. So a glass clamp holder or glass clip is a hardware fitting used to secure glass panels without drilling or framing the entire edge. It holds the glass in place on railings, balustrades, partitions, or shelves, providing a clean, minimalist appearance while ensuring stability and safety. Number 24. What do you call the fitting shown in the figure below that is used to carry and connect glass? A. Octopus connector, B. Spider clamp, C. Glass connector, and D. Four-legged connector. And our correct answer is letter B, spider clamp. So a spider clamp is a structural fitting used to support and hold glass panels in place, typically in glass facades, curtain walls, or frameless glass doors. It has multiple arms like a spider that radiate from a central hub, allowing glass panels to be fixed at various angles while maintaining a minimal and visually open appearance. 25. Which could be used for doors? A. Gypsum, B. Fisem, C. Plywood, and D. Lawanit. And our correct answer is letter C, plywood. Plywood is strong, durable, and dimensionally stable, making it suitable for door panels, whereas gypsum, Fisem, and Lawanit are generally used for walls or ceilings and are not structurally strong enough for doors. 26. A known manufacturer of lock set. A. Crown, B. Davis, C. HCG, and D. Sludge. And our correct answer is letter D, Sludge. So Sludge is an internationally recognized brand specializing in high-quality locks and door hardware, widely used in both residential and commercial applications. Crown Pipes supplies pipes and fittings, and Davis, of course, is for paints, and HCG is for toilet fixtures. 27. The figure shown below is designed to keep doors open while helping to prevent all damage. It is called blank. A. Door stopper. B. Magnetic door stopper. C. Electric door stopper. And D. Wall protector. And our correct answer is letter B, magnetic door stopper. A magnetic door stopper is a hardware device used to hold the door open at a desired position using magnetic attraction. It typically consists of a magnet mounted on the wall or floor and a metal plate or counterpart attached to the door. When the door swings open, the magnet holds it securely, preventing it from closing unintentionally due to wind or slope, while allowing it to release easily when pushed. 28. What door is used in hospital operating rooms? A. Double door, double swing. B. Double door, single swing. C. Single door, out swing. And D. None of the above. And our correct answer is A. Double door, double swing. So a double door, double swing allows easy movement of large equipment and stretchers, provides wide access, and ensures smooth traffic flow in critical areas, which is essential in operating rooms. 29. Identify the figure below. A. Folding door. B. Pass-by door. C. Panel door. And D. Sliding door. And our correct answer is letter C, panel door. So a panel door is a type of door constructed with stiles or vertical members and rails, horizontal members, that form a frame, within which panels of wood, glass, or other materials are fitted. This design allows the door to be strong, stable, and resistant to warping, while also offering decorative possibilities through various panel shapes and arrangements. And lastly, number 30, where should you locate the door jamb for the toilet and bath? A. Above the threshold. B. Before the threshold, outside the T&B. C. After the threshold, inside the T&B. And D. Doesn't matter. And our correct answer is letter B, before the threshold, outside the toilet and bath. So the door jamb for a toilet and bath should be located before the threshold, outside the toilet and bath. This placement ensures the door swings inward, the threshold acts as a water barrier, and the jamb stays outside the wet area to prevent water damage. Locating the door jamb above the threshold is incorrect because the jamb is an integral part of the door frame, and its vertical components must extend down to the floor or subfloor for proper support and stability. The threshold is the raised piece of material that seals the bottom of the door, and it is installed between the vertical door jambs. And that's it for our quiz. Congratulations for completing the quiz. Now, count your total correct answers and determine your score category. If your rating is 15 or less, it is time for a more strategic review.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Enroll at Atlas CDC Review for a comprehensive prep for the Architecture Board exams. Message us now.